Let's go ahead and tap it out down there.
Napkin. Wait, I need to. Okay.
Okay. Be sure you put your sound when you put the finger out, okay?
N. Um. NAPCIN. Napkin.
Okay, so now don't take it away. Look at your CI. What sound does CI make?
K.
Remember, what letter has to go?
S.
Okay, so napkin.
It should be a K.
Right. Beautiful. So there's two phonics rules that should speak to you. One is when a C has an I, it says S, and then K has to have EI or Y after it. So that should give you double support, okay? And then just point to each syllable.
Oh, napkin.
Good. Okay. The next word is bandit.
B-A-N-D.
Oops, second hand, because it's a rabbit word.
B-A-N-D-it.
Yes. So rabbit words, we're going to separate those middle consonants into two syllables.
B-A-N-D-I-T. Bandit.
Good. Next word is cracking. Cracking.
K-R-A-K.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do that again.
K-R-A-K.
Good.
E-N-D.
Good.
C-R-A-C-K-I-N-G. Cracking.
Good. Okay, the next word is addict. Is a TV addict.
Addict.
Good. Yep. Letter D. I.
D-I-C-T. Addict.
Good. Next word is transit.
T-R-A-N-S-I-T.
Good. Like how you split that up.
R-A-N-S-I-T. Transit.
Okay, good. Let's do attic. Oh, wait. Now we're going to do the house has an attic. Attic. Okay, that's a double T.
T-I-C.
Okay, good.
Attic.
Beautiful.
Attic.
Okay. The next word is kidnap.
Kidnap. K-I-D-N-A-P.
Good.
K I D N A and then P kidnap.
Beautiful.
Kidnap.
We're going to do 3 more. Let's say frantic.
Frantic. F-R-A-N-T-I-C.
Yep.
F R A N T I C. Frantic.
Okay, so if you could see this student from lesson 1, there was a lot of modeling that went on for the first 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lessons, but she's in exercise 13 now. So I'm not even modeling for her anymore. She's a rock star. Good job. Frantic. And then next one is flapjack.
Flapjack. F-L-A-P-J-A-K.
How many letters for the last one? K. So that'll be
yes.
because compound word, a CK will go at the end of a K word if it could be a word by itself. Like Jack could be a word by itself. So it gets CK.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, I just forgot the word. My memory.
Flapjack. Yeah, I know.
Oh,
flapjack.
F L A P. Let's see. Oh, flapjack. G-J-A-C. Okay, flapjack.
Okay, good. And one more for today, traffic. So it's a rabbit word, so you're going to hear F. That's going to be 2 Fs. And you got to split them up, okay? Traffic.
T-R-A-F-F-I-C.
Good.
T R A F F again. Traffic.
Oh, is that a double F?
Yeah.
You don't have another F in your packet there? Like for floss words, I thought we did. We had double F in there. Okay.
I can't find it.
Okay. So this is how you can improvise. Get a little Post-it note and write the letter.
Yes.
Okay.
A little. It's a big one.
Okay.
Traffic. I C. Traffic.
Okay, good.